Welcome to this tutorial on micro and nanoscale heat transfer, which will delve into the fundamental concepts of thermal radiation and conduction. My goal is to provide you with a solid foundation for understanding the mechanisms that govern heat transfer in nanostructures or nanomaterials. We will explore the roles of photons, electrons, as well as hybrid excitation in these processes. Why should we understand heat transfer at short space and time scales? Well, the laws of heat transfer are not the same at macro and micro scales. And the thermal management challenges associated with these advanced materials have significant societal implications. Efficient thermal management is critical for the longevity and performance of electronic devices, impacting everything from consumer electronics to critical infrastructures. Inadequate thermal management can lead to device failures, reduce lifespans, and increase energy consumption, which in turn affect economy efficiency and sustainability. Moreover, the development of renewable energy technologies such as thermoelectric materials and photovoltaic cells relies heavily on advanced thermal management strategies. These technologies are essential for addressing climate change and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Ensuring optimal thermal performance in these applications is crucial for their viability and widespread adoption. See you soon.